Guys, vacation is almost here. We need to plan our trip. Have you thought about where do you like to go?
I've always wanted to visit Ecuador, especially the Galapagos Island. It's one of the most unique places in the world. Imagine swimming with giant turtles, seeing marine iguanas up close, and even spotting blue-footed buddies.
Hi, that sounds amazing. I be read that Tortuga Bay is one of the best beaches for snorkel. We could also visit the Charles Darwin Research Station to learn about conservation efforts for giant tourists.
Yes, but Ecuador has so much more to offer. I'd love for us to also explore the history and culture of the country. What do you think about visiting Quito? The middle of the world monument is there, and I really want to stand with one foot on each hemisphere.
That's a great idea. There's also an interactive museum there where they shows how gravity behaves differently on the equator. People say you can balance an air or nice because of the gravitational pull.
That sounds cool. And we can leave Quito without trying its traditional food. Have you guys heard of fritada? It's fried part served with corn, plantains, and potatoes. Oh, and the helado de paila. It's a type of sorbet made in a copper pan with fresh fruits.
No, I am great and hungry, but I also want our trip to include adventure. What do you guys did about? Visited the Ecuadorian Amazon. I be always dreaming of exploring the rainforest.
I loved it. We could go hiking in the jungle, take a canoe ride down the Napo River, and visit indigenous communities to learn about their tradition and way of life.
They say that is your lucky. You can see pink dolphins in the Amazon. And of course, we hear the howler monkeys. Some people say they sound like roaring lions.
And we were really lucky. We might even see a Howard, so it preferred to see him from a safe distance.
Absolutely. Our trip sounds perfect already, but we need to get organized. Let's split up the planning.
I can look for different dwelling options. We'll need place to stay in Quito, the Galapagos, and the Amazon.
Oh, the check flights to the Galapagos and transportation between cities. We should also think about how well get from Quito to the Amazon, maybe by bus or a small plane.
Good point. I made an itinerary so we can fit in our activities without rushing too much.
And I'll research the best place to eat. I want to find some hidden hints where we can try authentic Ecuadorian dishes.
Perfect. Yes, once we finish everything, we can say a book here and do everything in advance.
I can't wait. This is going to be an unforgettable trip.
Yes, Ecuador, here we come.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys. Vean,